Hi guys, and we are here at the New Valley in Santa Rosa, Laguna. It's a new venue. As usual, we are here also in Solnel, ano? Sonelat,
Solenad.
Sole,
Nad.
Solenat. It's a parang Bonifacio Heights Triangular style. It's created by the Ayalas, and we are here at the Pig Out restaurant. Also, one of the parang mga sister restaurant ng Ayalas and the distribution companies. And we're going to try out their food. And maganda dito, you can ride a boat taxi, and may feed the fish din, and ayun, kumain. So, I heard nag-diet na ng mga tao every weekend. And pa-traffic daw dito pag weekend kasi talagang yung mga tao sa Manila dumadayo dito sa Valley just to, to hang out, to experience like fresh air. Parang marami activities dito, mga trail running, biking, and marami pang iba. So siyempre kung gusto nyo bumili ng unit, nagbibenta rin sila dito. So check out, and I'm gonna teach you about the valley here in my vlog tonight. Bangan yan. Yung mga kasama ko, mga media. Okay.